Is your apartment secretly a cat chaos training ground? 5 cats, 2 couches, 0 personal space, existential crisis. They treat my living room like an Olympic obstacle course. Enter my secret weapon, the towering Feandrea cat tree. 75-inch vertical playground, like cat skyscraper, but adorable. 2 perches for lookout duty, 2 caves for covert naps. Hammock included. Premium napping, swaying like tiny royalty. 5 scratching posts wrapped in sisal. Claws are welcome. 2 dangling pom-poms with bells. Feline tiny percussion section. Plus 2 silent spare pom-poms for stealth assassins. Multi-level design means cardio without the judge's disapproval. Cats climb, leap, stalk. My furniture stays intact. Reinforced anti-tip frame, sturdy enough for 5 cats. Supports up to 16 lub per cat. Party approved. Assembly: 1 person, Allen key, 30 minutes, 0 tantrums. Cleaning: lint roller or vacuum. Fur disappears like magic. Space-saving vertical footprint. Apartment-friendly, landlord-friendly, stylish. Hammock skylight and elevated perches satisfy every cat's ego. 2 caves ensure no fights over rent-controlled real estate. Sturdy 1.2-inch reinforced base keeps everything rock solid during tornado-level zoomies. Perfect for kittens, adults, seniors. Multi-cat households approved. Rescues too. Design blends with modern homes, not a gaudy cat castle. Watch them queue politely for the top perch like commuters. Anti-tip wall anchor included. Peace of mind, fewer heart attacks. Retail grade build ideal for reselling premium cat furniture. My cat stopped shredding sofas. Relationship restored. Therapist canceled. Want fewer couch funerals? This tower is your alibi. Order now. Watch your cats ascend into majestic chaos. Link in bio. Get the Feandrea cat skyscraper today. Install, sit back, enjoy peace until they demand snacks. Please subscribe to the channel. The link to the product is in the description.